Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I want to welcome everyone to my channel who is recently subscribed. Thank you so much for joining me, and say thank you to those of you that have been with me before. I do have the winner to my 500 subscriber giveaway hidden in this video, so you got to check it out. And will that winner please email me at the email address in my About Me page or in the description box and let me know what your address is so I can get your prize mailed out to you. The winner will have 1 week to email me their information, or I will pick another one. So if it's you, don't miss out. I want to say thanks for coming by today. I do want to mention you might notice something a little bit different about me. I tried eyeliner for the first time ever. If you missed my shorts video, go check it out. But essentially, I use this iMethod Beauty winged stamp and eyeliner pen with my shaky hands. I think I did okay. It's not perfect, but you know, I tried. Trying to get on this whole makeup bust that's going around. Anyway, if you like or want more information on iMethod Beauty, I'll put their information in the description box below. I hope you enjoy today's projects. So they are going to be like Christmas themed, but they can also be used for other than Christmas. So you can use them or do them with other things other than just Christmas. So if you're not a Christmas person, don't click off. I gotcha. You know your girl's going to take care of you, right? So as always, a list of the items needed will be in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, for our first project, you'll need one of these bucket pail tins. You'll need either some chalkboard stickers, or you can use chalkboard tags. Or you can use these chalkboard clothespins or little chalkboard wooden stakes, whatever you choose. And then a pack of snowballs. This is so easy, guys, you're not going to believe it. So essentially, I'm just going to take a sheet of chalkboard. Oh, sorry, you're also going to need, here's my head if it wasn't attached, a paint pen or chalk marker, which you can get chalk markers at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to take my little chalk marker here, and I'm going to write snowballs, 5 cents. I didn't really like how that one turned out, so I'm going to try writing it again. Because if at first you don't succeed, try again. Nope, don't like that one either. Maybe third time's a charm. What do you think? Sweet. So I wrote snowballs, 5 cents. And then I'm going to peel that off. And I smudged it, you guys. Oi! Do as I say, not as I do. So let's try it again. This is why I do this, guys, to show you guys things don't always turn out perfect. So you can write it on there, and while that's drying, I'm going to give the other option with the wood stakes because I think they're pretty cute too. So you can see both. So same concept. I'm going to write on here. Okay, so let's see if I can get this without smudging it. Good also, guys, just write with chalk. So snowballs, 5 cents. And then look, we're going to take our snowballs and put it in the tin. Sorry for the crinkling. So this way it looks like you're selling snowballs. Or you can use the little sign if you want. And just put the sign in there. How easy and adorable is that for a tiered tray or a shelf decor? Oh my goodness. For our project number 2, you'll need one of these wooden sleds that you can get from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, anywhere you like. You'll need paint of your choice. If you want a faux stain brown, if you want a regular paint, you can use red or white, whatever color you want. If you're going to faux stain, you'll need some baby wipes. You're also going to need either a Dollar Tree or a calendar that has these little pictures on the back. Or if you don't have those, like these came off of Dollar Tree gift bags. They're like the little pieces. Or you can even use pieces of a card that you get in the mail. Reduce, reuse, recycle. And optional, or if you want, depending on what you want to use, we have some picks from the Dollar Tree. There is berry garland, ribbon, and then you'll need a glue stick, a glue gun, scissors, and then this part is optional as well. I'm going to be using some of this chalk distressing ink. You could also use a brown marker. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take our sled, and I'm going to take some of this, the Burnt Umber Apple Barrel paint from Walmart, and you just get a little bit out. And then you take your baby wipe, like so. And then I'm just going to kind of fold it up a little bit. I'm going to dab it in some of the paint. And then brush it on my sleigh, or sled. It's not really a sleigh, is it, guys? It's a sled, like so. And then that's going to give you the faux stain effect. So I went ahead and pre-stained a piece so you guys can see it. And then I'm going to pick out what scene I want to use. Here, there's Season's Greetings, Joy, Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. But like I said, for my folks that don't celebrate Christmas, no worries. You can use this one, like that says home. You can use a piece of a card that has like a snowman on it. Or you could cut out just some pretty trees. Or look, even a penguin. Whatever you choose to use. I think I'm going to go with the season. There's so many options, guys. I think I'm going to go with Joy. We're going with Joy. Sledding brings me joy. And you'll need some scissors, if I didn't mention that already. Did you guys ever used to go sledding? Do you still go sledding? When we lived in Maryland for a little bit, not that long ago, we had a really nice sledding hill right behind our house that we lived in. So we used to go sledding on that hill behind our house, which I thought was super fun. So here, what I'm going to do is I want to kind of distress the edges a little bit. So that's where this chalk ink comes from. You can find distressing ink, or like I said, you could also use, if you want to use just like a marker, like a fat marker, and just kind of rub the edges of it, like so. Because I don't want it to be such a crisp white edge on my sled. So it gives it that little edging there. Now, for positioning, there's two options, guys. So you can either place it directly in the middle and be done with it. Or if you want to add some greenery to it like I am, you're going to want to leave space at the top. Or on the other sled, you can position it in the middle and put greenery up top here. Whatever you choose to do. So I'm just going to take my glue stick and cover the back with glue. You can use Mod Podge, you can use old school Elmer's glue, whatever you got on hand. So I'm going to lay that down. And then I'm going to take this piece of greenery from this pick here. Hopefully my scissors will cut it. We're going to find out, guys. Oh, look, it did. Yay! And we're doing this all by chance. So let's see here. See if I can get it. It's a little bit too much, so I'm going to cut a little bit more off. Oh, look, it's raining greenery. Let's see if I like that. Or you could use berry garland, whatever you want to use. Whatever you have on hand. You can also use the leaves, which I might do instead because this greenery is kind of a hot mess if you ask me. It's kind of a hot mess, y'all. See if I can get some of this off. Oh, look at that, guys. How adorable is that? Okay. So I'm just going to cut off some of this excess here. And get my glue gun. A little dab of glue. Little dab of do ya. And then I have my little spatula here so I don't burn myself. Put that on there. I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the back of this one because I want it to kind of lay flat. So put a little glue back there. Push this down. Look at that. How cool is that? And then have some of these little other pieces that I've saved. The little berries that come right off. So I'm going to throw some berries on this bad boy to zhuzh it up. So again, glue. Uh-oh, guys. Looks like it's time for some more glue. Oh no, I'll be right back. Hold on. Just hold on. All right, glue crisis averted. So I'm just going to glue. Put some glue down here. I say glue crisis averted, and then we're like back at it again. Takes a hot minute, apparently, to keep it going. There we go. Get some glue there. A little bit of glue here. Put my berries on. Very, very nice. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Is that super cute or what? Can you stand it?